Okay guys, I'm doing my new frame install and you can see this bolt fits here, but this bolt just goes right in. I don't know what happened, but we got screwed up when they drilled and tapped that. You can see these are smaller and that's bigger. So the way you fix that is with these, are called helicoil inserts. What you have to do is drill it out. So that's the drill that came with the set. Now you gotta tap it. My tap is kind of crooked there. Let me straighten it since I can't do it on camera here. Get it straight off camera. Okay. So you need that straight, and you need it going slow, and you need it lubricated. I'm just gonna use Loctite for lubricant now, just to get something. Now I gotta let it dry in there, obviously, but it just needs some lubricant. So. And we've run it all the way through. Make sure you're wearing glasses, guys. You do not want that stuff in your eyeballs. And so now what we're going to do is take a little bit of toilet paper and wipe this off. We're going to go ahead and go one of these guys. We're going to stick it on our tool, and you can see the spring pawl at the back there. And now when you drive this in, it's going to shrink because of the way you're turning it. And honestly, it's going to be stronger than it was to begin with. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Now check it out. M5 screws are thread in there again. One thing you got to do, sometimes if you take and you screw the screw all the way through, that'll get rid of the little pawl, but they include this tool, and that's to go ahead and I have a hammer here, but see, it broke the pawl off. So now my M5 screws will screw all the way through. The only reason that one isn't screwing all the way through because it's a little bent. It's an old battery box screw. It's a little crooked. But see, now I can. It only took me about a minute or two to repair that M5 screw on the frame, and it's stronger than it was initially. So it wouldn't even hurt. If you really wanted to, you can go through and do them all. But of course, I mean, you don't want to fix something that ain't broke. So there you go. That's how you fix stripped frame screws. See y'all later.